Hey everyone, so it is Chakra Tuesday today, and today we will pull a chakra card. One came out already, just to see what messages come through. So obviously this one really wanted to come through. And it says faith, hope, support, miracles, and spirituality. And that's what it looks like. So this has to do with the crown chakra. And the crown chakra is your connection with your divine source, your divine essence, God, whatever it is you want to call it. This connection, we get rooted into this physical plane. We tend to focus on these first three chakras, the root, the sacral, and the solar plexus. And then, of course, we've got the heart and the throat chakra. So the heart we tend to close off and protect ourselves. The thing is that while protecting our hearts, we don't trust our intuition or our connection to this source or to our higher consciousness. We don't trust it. So we only trust what we can see or what we can touch, but not really trusting anything else that's beyond that. And so this card is saying to connect and trust in the higher consciousness, your higher consciousness, in your divine self, your source. Trust into that, connect into that, tap into that, and begin to build that relationship with that highest part of you, because that connection, what those answers that you receive for any questions that you have, any guidance that you need, it's going to be channeled through you. When we are working more from this physical realm, that's when we force things or try to control or manipulate things. But when we are connected to our higher source as well, then we can bring that into the physical realm. So create that special bond, that beautiful relationship with your higher connections, your higher consciousness, and reach out for that support, that those answers will come to you. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time. Bye.